In this video, I am going to show you how to create a letterheaded paper using Canva. Maybe you are a business person, you want to type a letterhead, or you are a corporate office worker. Let me show you how to do that in a few minutes. My name is Pat. Please remember to subscribe and like this video in order to support me. So immediately you get to canva.com, you will need to sign up. I will put the link in the description box below. You will notice that Canva has three buttons here. One is your design, showing all the design that you have done. Then here we'll have templates and we'll have Canva AI here. So we are going to use templates, or rather, let's just go to this place and click on this create button. So immediately I click here, I'll wait for Canva to come up so that I will tell Canva what I want. So from here, Canva will present us with this interface. So we are going to tell it what we want. So we'll say letterhead. Immediately we type that, it will bring us with different letterheaded paper templates. So you can see we'll have this responsive business letterhead, company letterhead. So it depends on what you want. So you can go ahead and choose one. In case you would like to use it as an A4 paper, maybe you want to use it in Microsoft Word. Now let us use this one that says A4. So I'll click on it and wait for it to load. So from here, you can see different designs that you can use, and please try to watch till the end because I am going to show you how you can place your logo, how you can place your transparent logo at the center. You don't need to be a Canva Pro in order to use background remover. I have a tool that will help you, a free AI tool that will help you to remove background very fast and very clean. So assuming that this is what I want, but it has a crown here, meaning that I have to be a paid user in order to use that. So let's look for the one that doesn't have a crown. Maybe this, let's say this. I'll just click on it and it will appear here. So from now, I can be able to edit it the way I want. Let me zoom this a bit. So from here now, I can decide to change this design. You can further change the design by coming to this place where we have templates. So from here, you can see more templates. Okay, so you can see that from here, we have templates that doesn't have crown. So you can just go ahead and choose any one of your choice. So this is our design. Okay, so I can maybe, if I want to use the document, if I want to create my document here, I'll go ahead and edit this one. Maybe after double clicking, I'll press delete and type my new document. You can increase the font the way you want. Okay, now if I don't want to use it here, I can just go ahead to choose what I want. Maybe enter your logo here, design it the way you want, then take it to another environment. But let's assume I want a logo to be here. Let me get my logo. I will just use simple search to get a logo. Okay, let me just type business logo. Press enter. We'll have different variation, different types of logo. You can switch this to images so that you see only images. Okay, now assuming that logo you want has a background, let's assume you want this, or let me look for something else. Okay, let's assume you want this. Okay, so if you right click this and bring it, maybe you copy and bring it to Canva by pressing paste, you will notice that it has a background, and this background is disturbing this image, this letterhead, so it doesn't look nice. So what you will need to do is to remove the background, and you cannot be able to remove background if you are not a pro user. You can see it here, background remover, it has a crown. So what we are going to do is to delete this, then open a new tool called removal.ai. Once we open this, we can be able to remove any image background. You can see the magic. So I will go back to this image, click and drag. I don't even need to download it. Click and drag, position it here and drop it in this particular place. This tool will go on to analyze and remove the background. I don't even need to sign up or log in. So let's wait for it. Boom, we have the image here. So I will copy it. I do not even need to download it since I'm using it in an online platform. So I will copy it here, press paste. Once you position it here, you see it. There is no background again. How cool is that? So let me know in the comment section what you think about this tool, this operation. What do you think? So you can delete this, and if you also want to use it at the center of your letterhead, let me paste another one. But this time I'm going to reduce the opacity. So I will click here, the transparency button, then reduce it like so. And we have our letterhead. The next thing will not be to share this. So let me also delete this one. I will delete all of this because I don't need them. I will click on the share button here. From here, I'll click download, then change it to PNG. The reason why you have to download it as PNG is if you are taking it to MS Word, it will now help you to move it to the background so that your text will be at the front. Okay, so I've just downloaded it and you can open it to view it here. This is my letterheaded paper design. Okay, so let me know if you can be able to use it in your Microsoft Word. Unfortunately, I don't have MS Word in this laptop, but let me show you what you are supposed to do. If you go to Micro Only Office, that's what I use. Only Office. From here, I'll choose Document, then Insert. I will insert it as image from File. Okay, so where is it? Should be in my download folder. So I'll get the image, the letterheaded image. Look at it. I will have to right click here. Then this wrapping style, I'll change behind text. This behind text will now allow me to position it the way I want. And of course, when you start typing, whatever you are typing will now be at the top, while this will appear at the bottom. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Also remember to like, subscribe, and share it with other ones. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.